Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make Korean spicy chicken feet. Let's get started. Cut chicken feet nails, wash it well. In a pot, bring it to boil about 45 minutes, drain and set aside. Let's make the sauce. In a blender, add Thai chili. Add garlic. Add ginger. Add Korean red pepper flake. Add gochujang, Korean pepper paste. Add ground black pepper. Add soy sauce. Add mirin. Add oyster sauce. Add sugar. Blend well. Remove blended sauce to the boiled chicken feet. Mix well. Cover with plastic wrap and marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight in the refrigerator. Grill in a pan for about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Transfer to a serving plate. Sprinkle sesame seeds. Chopped spring onions. Serve immediately and enjoy.